I cracked a lot.
Keep breaking it. Is it breaking at all?
No.
Oh, water's coming through.
Stand up.
Oh!
It'll probably hold us in. Keep breaking it. Where's that record?
Get a bigger one.
They're all frozen to the ground.
Kick it.
It's like bad.
I know. Here, use this one. Never mind, I can't get it.
This part right here started to come unfrozen when we all stood on it.
Ready? This is going to be a big one.
Might break it.
Throw it as hard as you can in the middle.
No, at the small one. I'll make it like split.
They're like imprinted into the...
I'm going to throw this one right into it.
Oh! That soaked me!
Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there.
Whoa, dude!
Oh, shoot. All going to be stuck under there.
It like fell through.
That was weird. Oh, it looks like grass is coming out of it. Grass is moving.
I just fell through! Dude! Smells like asshole.
I know. When I fell into it, it was like that deep on me.
Huh.
Dude.